Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how can we apply text validation in our data and how can we use shortcut to apply text validation, what are the input messages and the error messages. So stay tuned and watch till the end. For example, I have these columns. I want to apply data validation here in the form of text. So for example, I have two columns, first name and the last name. So what I would like anyone who type the name in these two columns, the minimum characters should be 2 and the maximum characters should be 8. I don't want anyone to type any character less than 2 or more than 8. So I will apply text validation. How can I do this? Select all those cells where you want to apply text validation and then go to Data tab. And then from the data validation, you can see here, click the node on the side. And then you can see the first option, data validation. And then you can see there is a drop down list. You can see you can select the text length from here, second last option. Click on this one, and now you can choose anything between, not between, equal to. What I want, I would like to choose in between. So first one, what I want minimum. So minimum characters would be 2 and the maximum characters would be 8. So and then press OK. Now, so anything which I type less than 2 character, it won't allow me. On anything above 8 character, it won't allow me. For example, if I just type H, press enter, it will give me error message asking me to retry. So if I type AX, which is 2 character, press enter, it will allow me. Same as if I want to type like more than 8 character, so then it won't allow me. So you give me the error. So anything within the 8, it will allow me. So like if I reduce the character, so it will allow me to write it down. So this is how you can apply the text validation. And next one is how can I use shortcut key to apply text validation? So wherever you want to apply the text validation, select those cells and then press Alt A V V. So same window will pop up. Again, select text length, write it down between minimum and the maximum, press OK. So the text validation will be applied on your data. Let's talk about the input messages and the error messages. So what I would like if anyone just hover the mouse on any cells within those columns, that person should see some custom message. So what I will do, I will again select all these. You can do without selecting as well. Go to data validation, and then you can see the input message. You can type with any title and the input message. For example, if I just type input name, so again, if I just write it down type, it will show the type, title, and the input message as well. Okay. And now, so anyone who click within those columns, it will see this message, the title with the description, title with the description. Let's talk about the error message. So for example, if anyone want to type anything outside of the data validation range, so what error message should be displayed? So I will select those cells, then go to data validation option, and you can see the error alert. So what I want to either stop warning or information to that users, or so there are three options. Either I can stop it, I can warn it, or provide the information. So I want to stop it, and then I will just want to display message type something else. So whenever someone try to type anything outside the range of that data validation, so it will display that error message. Press OK. Now, if I want to type one character which is outside my text validation range, so it will give me that error. You can see type something else. So now this is how it works. It display message, it gives you the error and that kind of stuff. And if you want to clear the validation from it, then from the home tab, you can see the clear and clear all. It will clear all the validation from your cells. So this is how you can apply the validation. use the shortcut key. You can display, customize the error message and display message and all that kind of stuff. So hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.